This week in Computer Concepts, you will be completing Mod 7. This is the first chapter for Excel. For this chapter, you will create the documents for Mod 7. There are no files. You will do the creation. I have already opened up an Excel sheet and typed in a list of words. These are known as labels. They're text. And when you have labels, it looks as if they spill over into the next cell. I typed this word into cell A2. A cell is shown by the column and the row, and that is in cell A2. You can also look in the name box, and the name box says A2. It says Peach Mango Barbecue. However, when I click on B2, if you look up in the formula bar, there is nothing there. Go back to A2. It is in that cell. I am now going to enter some prices and the estimated sales, it looks like. Notice when you hit enter, you go down one row by default. Also notice the labels disappear now that there's data in the cell that is adjacent to the right of the cell of the entry. Again, don't panic. The word has not disappeared. I'm going to click back on Peach Mango, which is A2. It is still in the formula bar. By the way, notice a tooltip popped up. It's also known as a screen tip, and it says formula bar. It tells you exactly what it is. So if you don't know what something is, you can just hover over it with your cursor, your I-beam, and you will see what the name of something is. I'm now going to put in the estimated year 1 units. You do not have to put commas in because later on you may format it with the comma style. I will do that right now to show you that. Oh, I see a typo, so I can quickly change that within my formula bar. Or I could have activated that cell, double clicked on it. I'm going to go ahead and do the comma style. I'm going to select. Notice when I select one cell, either at the top or the bottom. Get in the middle. Do not go to the edge. In the middle of the cell. Then hold down your left mouse key and drag down. Going to decrease the decimal points. Next, I'm going to do a formula. This is what Excel is very, very useful for, is for your formulas. All formulas must begin with an equal sign. And I am going to say price times, which is my asterisk, estimated years. And so I clicked on B2 and then asterisk C2. I do what is called a point and click, or you can type it in. Point and click is a lot better because you can see what you're pointing to, and maybe you don't have the typing errors. I hit enter. That's why I went down. I'm going back up. I could have, I'm going to delete my cell, say equal, B2 asterisk C2. I could hit the check mark. If I hit the check mark for confirm, that also enters the data. And then I am going to use my fill handle, and I can drag it down. But I'm going to show y'all a shortcut. I'm going to undo. You can also put your cursor on the fill handle. The fill handle is in the lower right hand corner. And I can double click. I'm going to now put in my title, my heading up there that says Estimated Year 1 Sales. Your textbook wants you to use the best fit. Best fit or auto fit means you go between the column headings, the headings up at the top. Get a cursor that has a beam across with a horizontal line going sideways. By the way, you can also drag to a certain point if that's what they ask for. My main concern when you do Excel is that you put in the formulas. If you type in an answer, your Excel sheet will be incorrect. For example, if this was supposed to be 90,000, this is not in the textbook. I want you to notice how quickly my estimated sales changes from 316,000 to 355,500. I didn't have to change my estimated sales because of the formula.